Sit down, all of you. I gave you some homework, na? Homework? Come in. Well. So, what is happening? What was going on? Nothing? Okay, last time we were discussing about Act 1 or Act 2? Act 2. Yes. Act 2, Scene 1. Yes? Just remember Prince of Morocco, okay? No need to write what is his name. Boys? What we were discussing about in Act 2, Scene 1? Themes and Scene 1 of Act 2. We were discussing now?
Yes. And he was saying that
Yes. So that scene was very much prompt and with colorful reality versus appearance. That was based on. So Portia assures him that her decision to marry someone is not guided. Okay? By his physical appearance, he was not able to judge. So this scene has much prompt and in color that Prince of Morocco arrives and presents himself as an eligible suitor to Portia in Act 2, Scene 1. So his opening dialogue was, what was his opening dialogue? Don't judge me with my appearance. The shadowed livery of the burnished sun. What is the meaning of this line?
And because of the sun, he was black. Because of his, when he was black. He turned black. Shadowed to black.
He says that I am a healthy man, I am a brave boy, and he asks Portia not to judge him by the appearance, okay, of his skin, but my blood is red, and that of any other suitor. So Portia assures him that her decision to marry someone is not guided, but he stands as good a chance to win as any other suitor. The prince thanks to Portia for compliment and continues to boast about his conquest, the slaying of the king of Persia and defeating Sultan of Turkey in 3 battles. So Prince of Morocco is a warrior and self-assured man, as you know. So he has a large, imposing physical appearance, and it is a proud of dark complexion. So he says that the best regarded virgins of our clime have loved it. He proudly speaks about that. Okay. Now what are the characters in this scene? In Scene 1. Portia, Morocco, Persia and Prince of Morocco. Okay? Now bring me the fairest creature northward born. Acha, what is meaning of Hercules? Hercules.
Hercules and biblical. Something like that.
Historical events and classical allusions are there.
Yes.
In Greek mythology, Hercules was the bravest and strongest man. Okay, hero. He was called hero. So according to the legend, once Hercules and Lichas were playing a game of dice. So by chance the winning throw came from the hand of the weaker man. So in this line, bring me the fairest creature northward born, where Phoebus fire scars throws the Achilles, and let us make incision of love. So Lichas and Hercules was defeated in the game of dice. So similarly, Morocco fears that fate might favor someone less worthy than himself. Now scene 2. Now read scene 2. Who will read? Read scene 2. Venice street. Enter Lancelot. Aksa. Read scene 2.
Lancelot.
Truly my conscience will allow me to turn.
Suddenly my conscience will serve me to run from this Jew, my master. The fiend is at my elbow and tempts me, saying to me, Go, Lancelot, go, good Lancelot, or good Gogo, or good Lancelot, go. Use your legs till the start, run away. My conscience says, no, take heed, honest Lancelot, take heed, honest Gogo, or as Echoes said, honest Lancelot, go. Do not run, scorn running with pride, eat well, the most courageous found, bids me back. What is that?
In which line?
In the 7th.
Heels.
One week back. Says the mind, says the fire, and then my conscience hanging about the neck of my heart, says very wisely to me, my honest friend Lancelot, being an honest man's son, or rather an honest woman's son, for indeed my father did something smack, something rude too. He had a kind of taste, well my conscience says,
Okay, stop. Underline, certainly my conscience will serve me to run from this Dwi, my master. These are the soliloquy. What is soliloquy? Do you know what is soliloquy in the play? In this soliloquy, the person talks to himself. So in this scene shows Lancelot, Gobbo's antic that provide comic relief. He is creating a comic relief in this scene. The scene begins with the Lancelot soliloquy. When Shylock leaves the palace. So Lancelot Gobbo says that certainly my conscience will serve me to run from this Jewy master. So Lancelot described that conflict between the mind and his consciousness, that advising him to be a faithful servant, and the devil tempting him to be leave. So Jewish service and seek under the Bassanio. Now Bassanio says that certainly the Jew is the very devil incarnation. Certainly the Jew. 10 to 15. Now Bassanio enters the scene with Leonardo. Who is Leonardo? Who's? Who is Leonardo? His friend of Antonio. And with other servants also. He is excited to leave for Belmont soon. He makes arrangement for the dinner party and to be held that night. So Lancelot urges him to father to meet him with Bassanio to both fortune and with after play of words. So it is presented that the request to Bassanio is informs them that to Lancelot has already regarded as and recommended to him by the Shylock. Now this scene take place, now write it, this scene is more visual comedy. About scene 2. Act 2, scene 2. This whole scene is about a visual comedy between Lancelot and Shylock, L-A-U and C-E.
L-A-U, but which scene?
Scene 2, Act 2.
No, but it is conversation between Lancelot and Gogo.
In the last 10 to 25 lines, there is a conversation between Shylock and Lancelot. When Shylock leaves, then it will be a soliloquy. This whole scene is about a visual comedy between Lancelot and Shylock. Spelling L-A-U-N-C-E-L-O-T.
L-A-U-N-C-E
L-O-T.
L-O-T.
Lancelot's soliloquy in the beginning involves Lancelot's soliloquy S-O-L-I-L-O-Q-U-Y. Soliloquy. Soliloquy S-O-L-I-L-O-Q-U-Y. Soliloquy. In the beginning lines involve its mimicry. Its mimicry. When the Lancelot has to jump, when the Lancelot has to jump back and use two different voices. Use two different voices. What was that? One represents the angelic voice. One represents the angelic voice of the conscience, and the other is conscience and the C-O-N-S-C-I-E-N-C-E. And the other one is the devil. Devil voice. When the two gobos, full stop, when the two gobos conversation with Bassanio, there is again visual comedy. Lancelot hides behind his father. There is again much visual comedy. Hides behind his father who frequently to interrupt him at every line. Who frequently to interrupt in him at every line. Him at every line. And completing his sentence for him. And completing his sentences for him. Interrupt him at every line and completing his sentences for him. Now, heading is serious elements. Serious elements.